Welcome students to a new chapter, probability. This is very simple chapter students and interesting too. You can relate this chapter with a day-to-day life and really it's very exciting to solve different cases in this chapter. Okay, name of the chapter probability. I very well know that you know the meaning of this, but let's again have an eye on the actual sense. Probability, chances of happening of an event is called as a probability. Chances of happening of an event. किसी भी event के होने के chances को we call it as probability. Now, what is an event? Event किसको बोलते हैं? So one by one we'll see the terminologies. Event is known as desired outcome of any experiment. The synonym for word event is requirement. जो भी कुछ requirement है or your desired outcome is known as event. Okay, so up till now we saw two things. Whatever thing we expect or we want or whatever is our requirement, it is called as an event. Okay, and the chances to get that event is called as probability. So I have taken a simple example to explain you different terminologies related to this chapter. So instead of starting with theory part, I have started this chapter with an example. I know you are not very well aware about this, the different strategies and the terminologies of this chapter, but solving this example, I'll explain each and everything. First, understand the story given in this question. I have 10 tokens numbered from 1 to 10. Okay, I have 10 tokens numbered from 1 to 10. मतलब हर एक token पे a number is written. So like this, I have 10 numbers with 10 different tokens with 10 numbers. What is the probability of getting number 5 and 7 when any two tokens are randomly taken out? So understand the scenario. I have 10 tokens. On each token, a different unique number is written between 1 and 10. Okay. Now, I am removing two tokens randomly. I'm closing my eyes, putting my hand inside the box and removing two tokens randomly. Now I need to find the chances or the probability that that two token which I remove should have number 5 and 7 written on it. Okay, so understand now what all things are there. See, this is my box here. I have 10 tokens with 10 numbers written on it. Okay, now see here, removing two tokens out of 10 tokens is the experiment. This question which says कि दो token निकालो out of 10, this is broadly called as an experiment. Okay, now moving forward, what is my aim? What is my aim? To get that two tokens numbered only 5 and 7 is our requirement, is our aim. Only removing two token is not our aim. Our aim, desire aim is to get two numbers which are 5 and 7 on the token. So this, our desired outcome, our aim is called as an event here. Please, I emphasize on this word event. Throughout the chapter, I'll use the word event. Event is what you desire. It's your requirement. So at present, हमारे समय हमारा event क्या है? That getting tokens numbered 5 and 7. ठीक है? Okay. So probability किसकी find करेंगे? Of course, we have to find the probability. जो event है उसकी probability find करेंगे. So what are the chances of getting 5 and 7 numbered tokens? That probability we need to find. So understand the chapter. जो भी event होता है, event क्या होता है? हमारे requirement. Whatever is our event, we will find the probability of our event only. Okay. So here we need to find the probability that what is the probability that if two tokens are removed from a box, that two tokens should be numbered 5 and 7. Okay. Moving on to the next slide. This is a formula. We need to just mug up this formula. फॉर्मूला ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी, नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स, कितने नंबर, कितनी क्वांटिटी हमारे फेवर में है, हमारे फेवर में है मींस it belongs to our event, it belongs to favor of our event upon number of all possible outcomes. Okay, once again I repeat, you just repeat with me. What is the formula of probability? Number of favorable outcomes upon number of all possible outcomes. Students, please repeat with me once again. Number of favorable outcomes upon number of all possible outcomes. फेवरेबल आउटकम मींस आपके इवेंट के फेवर में जो है, आपको जो चाहिए वो वाले आउटकम्स, वो कितने हैं, अपॉन टोटल आउटकम्स. ओके, नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरी कंसेप्ट. जस्ट सी द सॉल्यूशन स्टूडेंट्स. सॉल्यूशन, सैंपल स्पेस. सैंपल स्पेस मींस हर वो चीज जो दिया है क्वेश्चन में. व्हाट इज गिवन इन आवर क्वेश्चन? 10 tokens. So can I say tokens are numbered from 1 to 10, so I have written 1 to 10 within a curly bracket and I'll call it as capital S. This is my sample space. You should remember that in every sum it's compulsory to start your question with sample space. And see this, n of s, we read it like n of s. This is called as cardinal number. This indicates the quantity of elements in this set. Okay, n of s means how many elements are present in this set, which is 10. So this is my all possible outcomes. Students, see here in the formula down, it was a number of all possible outcomes. So if in our case, in our example, agar ek box mein I have 10 tokens and I put my hand to remove a token, either I can get 1, I can get 2, I can get 3, I can get any number from 1 to 10. So the number of total elements in this sample space S is 10. So 10 is my number of all possible outcomes. Denominator में हमेशा 10 आएगा ये पूरे sum में. And what will come in numerator? The number of outcomes which favors your event. क्या चाहिए, वो elements कितने हैं वो आएंगे numerator में. Okay. So whatever we want, see, this is the style to write by using a capital letter. Let A be the event. Okay, this colon we will always read as be the. Let A be the event of getting tokens numbered 5 and 7. So students, this is our event. तो ये event में के favor में कितने tokens है? अरे we have only one token of 5 number and we have only one token of numbered as 7. So 5 और 7 यही दो token है. So this 2 tokens will come in my event which is called as capital A. और इसमें दो ही element है. तो cardinal number of A, that is number of elements in set A, is 2. ठीक है. So students, are you understanding? This 2 is what? My number of favorable outcomes. ठीक है. Number of favorable outcomes. Okay students. So now let's proceed with the formula. What is my formula? Let me take you all back to our formula on the screen. See, this was our formula. Number of favorable outcomes upon number of all possible outcomes. तो हम लोग, I will not write the entire statement again and again in every time in a question. We'll write it in a short form. Okay, how to write in the short form? See this. See here. P of A, capital P of A, means probability of A is equal to N of A, means number of elements in a event A, upon N of S, means total number of elements. Total number of elements in a sample space. Okay, so there are only 2 elements, 2, which is in our favor, and N of S is 10 upon 10. Total number of elements in sample space, there are 10 tokens, so niche 10, 2 ones are 2 5s are, so 1 upon 5 is our answer. Okay, this was a basic sum, students, just to make you all aware how to write. Once again, I would like to tell you all, always we will write the formula in this manner. Probability of the name of the event. आज हमने event को capital A बोला है. Next time we can call it as B. It depends upon us, but it should be denoted by capital letter. N of A means number of elements in our event upon, always here N of S will come. In all the sums here, number of elements of sample space will come. Okay students, now moving to the next slide. Our next slide, students, deals with tossing of a coin. Hope you understood with the picture on the screen. Yes, tossing a coin. It's very simple, and the best part I like about this chapter is we can relate it with our practical day-to-day life. Okay, so let's see. Sample space for coin. Sample space means all possible outcomes. जो कुछ भी आ सकता है वो sample space. Journal formula is 2 raised to n. This n denotes कितनी बार coin toss हुआ. If coin is tossed one time, then 2 raised to 1. If coin is tossed 2 times, then 2 raised to 2. If coin is tossed 3 times, then 2 raised to 3. Okay, let's start. First case, when one coin is tossed. So 2 raised to 1, answer is 2. That means this 2 indicates, see the cursor, this 2 indicates that sample space में सिर्फ दो ही elements आएंगे, and you know it will be heads and tail. Okay, so n of s means number of elements in sample space is 2. You should know this, you should memorize this fact. Okay, next, see second case, when 2 coins are tossed. So it will be 2 raised to 2, and 2 raised to 2 is 4. That means there will be 4 elements in our sample space. See, HH, HT, TH, TT. Okay. Now students, understand the scenario. See on the screen. Now students, to explain you this HH, HT, TH, TT, just understand this. Consider that blue is your left hand and yellow is your right hand. I repeat again, blue is your left hand and yellow is your right hand. So your left hand has a coin, your right hand also has a coin. So if you toss both the coins together, or even if you toss them one after another, but we have two different coins. Okay, so we are recognizing our right hand side wala coin with yellow color and our left hand side wala coin with blue color. So first time this can be the case that right and left both gets head. Second time it can be the case, I'm using the word can be, we are writing all possible outcomes जो आ सकते हैं कि right hand पे which is yellow color tail आए and left hand पे जो कि blue color है वहां पे head आए. It can be the case that right hand पे heads आए and left hand पे tails आए, or it can be the case कि दोनों पे tails आए. So this is the actual meaning of this. Okay students, now proceeding further, if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, so there are 4 outcomes, and we saw here also 2 raised to 2 is 4. Now moving up to an important case, when 3 coins are tossed. Okay, when 3 coins are tossed, so 2 raised to 3, answer is 8. Here also, see, you consider what, that there are 3 students A, B, C. Okay, starting from right hand side, A, B, C. तो अगर 3 बच्चे 3 स्टूडेंट्स एक साथ में कॉइन को टॉस करते हैं, सी माय कर्सर, दिस इज A, दिस इज B, दिस इज C. Student A can receive head, student B can receive head, student C can receive head. Or I'm using the word or, so there is comma. Student A can receive tail, student B can receive head, student C can receive head. Or student A can receive head, student B can receive tail, student C can receive head. So likewise there are different possibilities. Now students, how to write, I'll give you one shortcut, a tricky way to write this. Yeah students, this is the trick how to write. No need to rote learn. See, whenever there is a case where 3 coins are tossed, or they can even tell you a coin is tossed 3 times, it means the same. So what to do? First you write, see, can you see this yellow blocks? This yellow is nothing but the sample space when 2 coins are tossed. See this HH, HT, TH, TT. तो जब 2 कॉइन को टॉस करते हैं ना, उसका सैंपल स्पेस आपने कॉपी कर लेना है बस पेज पे. HH, HT, TH, TT, बट 2 बार कॉपी करना है. HH, HT, TH, TT. फर्स्ट स्टेप विल बी, ये जो येलो बॉक्सेस है आपको उतना ही लिखना है. नेक्स्ट, फर्स्ट रो में खाली एच एच ऐड करो, सिर्फ देखो एच 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 एच. सेकेंड रो में सिर्फ टी 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 ऐड करो, टी 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 टी. Understood? This is a tricky way to write this. And once again, we have 8 elements here. So students, hope you all understood this. Now proceeding with the numericals of this. Next slide. 2012. In one of the years, they have even asked a question that a coin is tossed. Only one coin is tossed. It was very simple, so I did not include it in my video. But if you want, you can solve that also. 2012, I included this sum because it has 2 coins. If 2 coins are tossed once, let's understand the story first. If you understand the story, then you can easily solve it. If 2 coins are tossed once, itna pad ke nahi. Hold on. The first thing you should realize is now the sample space of 2 coins will be made. Okay. So if you see here below, I have written here sample. So in the solution part, sample space denoted by capital S for 2 coins. HH, HT, TH, TT, and N of S. That means number of elements in sample space is 4. ठीक है, इतना लिख देने का. जब 2 coins kill, there is a sum. Okay. They are asking us what is the probability of getting 2 heads. Now they are giving you their requirements. So if you remember my previous discussion, the requirement is called as an event. Yes, it's called as an event. So can I say my first requirement of getting 2 heads, I want to find कि क्या chances है, क्या probability है of getting 2 heads. So it's my event. Yes. So I'll define one event. How to define an event? I already showed you. See, let a colon means how we'll pronounce it. Let A be the event of getting 2 heads. Okay. So now I will write the set of A, which is my event of getting 2 heads. और 2 heads अपने को चाहिए तो किधर किधर आ सकते हैं? सीधा सैंपल स्पेस. देयर इज ओनली वन वे. एक ही बार होता है जब पे 2 heads आते हैं. ठीक है. दे आर आस्किंग अस कि व्हाट इज द चांसेस कि एक बार टॉस व्हेन 2 coins are tossed, so I should get 2 heads at the same time. It's only one time that we get 2 heads. So here HH. And how many elements are there in this set? Only one element, N of A. Now I want to find probability. So probability of event A, this A is my event. We should write capital P. Probability of A is number of favorable outcomes in my event, which is N of A upon total number of outcomes. Please repeat with me the formula. Number of favorable outcomes upon number of all possible outcomes. So N of A मतलब वो सारे elements, quantity of elements which is in favor, और N of S means total number of elements. तो मेरे favor में कौन से है? N of A में कितना है? 1. So I'll write 1 here. And N of S is how much? It's 4. So I'll copy here 4. Understood, students? Okay. Next question. See on the screen. At least one head. I want at least one head. So first ये मेरी requirement है. So I'll make an event here. Okay, see on the screen. Let B be the event of getting at least one head. And can you see this with the red pen? At least, if I translate it in Hindi, it means कम से कम. So कम से कम एक head चाहिए. So अगर कम से कम एक head चाहिए, तो can I say एक head भी चलेगा and 2 head भी चलेंगे, because कम से कम use हुआ है. So see this how to write the favorable outcomes का set. HT means एक time यहाँ पे head आया, or I can write TH also because one time I received head on the right hand side. So this both, see the cursor, this both are the outcomes for one time head. Here also one time head is coming, here also one time head is coming, but the word at least was given. कम से कम एक head, तो 2 head भी चलेगा. So I can write HH also. I did not write TT वाला because उसमें एक भी head नहीं है. That will not do. So N of B is 1, 2, 3. 3 elements, so 3. Probability of B is N of B, number of elements in set B upon N of S, number of elements in sample space. 3 upon 4 is my answer. Okay. Now what's my third question? So let's see on the screen. Both heads or both tails. मतलब व्हाट इज द चांसेस कि जब 2 कॉइन्स को टॉस करेंगे, दोनों में हेड्स आएगा तो भी चलेगा, या तो दोनों में टेल्स आए तो चलेगा. ओके, लेट्स सी. Let C be the event of getting both heads or both tails. Now, this note is very important, students. I want you all to write this word or. I have emphasized on this word or. Or means plus. Mathematically, it means plus, and if we translate it in English, it means merge. In the language of sets, whenever the word or comes, it means merging two sets, and mathematically, it means plus. Similarly, and means multiply, and in English we say common in the language of sets. But this case of and is not there in your syllabus. We'll just see this or wala case. So can I say my set C will be event of getting both heads? तो both heads तो एक ही बार आ सकता है. So I'll write here HH. और tails, both tails, तो TT हो जाएगा. And it was or in between, so I merged both the cases. So साथ में लिख दिए HH, TT. There are two elements, so n of C is 2. Probability of C is n of C upon n of S. Number of elements inside C upon number of elements in sample space. So 2 copied here, and originally we were having 4 elements in a sample space, so 4 came here, 2 upon 4. So if we reduce it, we'll get 1 upon 2. So students, now moving on to another sum. And I know you all realized why this next sum is important, because previously we did 2 coins wala sum, and now we are doing 3 coins. So now students, you tell me, moment you see this 3 coins, what you will do? You will not read the question. You will just first make the sample space. Okay? How to make the sample space? I already told you in the previous part of this video. HH, HT, TH, TT. HH, HT, TH, TT. 2 बार अलग अलग रोज में we need to write 2 coins का sample space. Then first row में, if you see with this is marked with another color, H, 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 H we have to write, and T, 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 T we have to write. There will be total 8 outcomes. Okay, 8 outcomes. Okay, now there are 5 different things asked over here. First, exactly 2 heads. Exactly 2 heads. Exactly. I want to emphasize on this word exactly. Exactly means ना तो एक head चलेगा, ना तो 3 heads चलेंगे. वो पूछ रहा है what is the probability that when 3 coins are tossed, I should get exactly 2 heads. Means it's but obvious that one will be tail on one coin. Okay. So your sequence is not important. Any of the coins out of 3, there should be exactly 2 heads and 1 tail. Okay, so let's first, whatever is the question, we will copy it as my event. Okay, see this, let A be the event of getting exactly 2 heads. Let A be the event of getting exactly 2 heads. So now let's see exactly 2 heads, how to get. So students, we want exactly 2 heads. In front of you, there is a screen where I have mentioned the sample space. There's a pop-up just to help you out with the sample space. We need exactly 2 heads. Can I say here we have 3 heads? This will not go. Or here we have 2 heads. Okay. Here also we have 2 heads. Here we have only 1 head. Here we have 2 heads. Here we have only 1 head. Here we have only 1 head. Okay, so 3 hearts will go in this set A. This is my favorable outcome ka set. So I have just copied this HHT, HTH and THH here. So number of elements is 3 over here. Okay, so probability of A is number of favorable outcomes, that is 3 elements upon n of S. 3 upon 8 is my first answer. Now let's get back to our original question and see what is the second thing asked. Students, second thing asked here is find the probability of getting at least 2 heads. Once again this word at least came. हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करो. At least means कम से कम 2 heads. क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है ऑफ गेटिंग एट लीस्ट 2 heads? कम से कम 2 heads. अरे whenever we say this like this, कम से कम 2 heads means 2 heads भी चलेगा and it can go up to 3 heads also, but 1 head नहीं चलेगा. Okay, so now let's proceed to our sum. First we will make the event. See, let B be the event of getting at least 2 heads. That is 2 and more than 2 heads will do. Okay, so how to select it? Okay, we have a pop-up on the screen. So students, once again, let's distribute hearts. First, I'll mark the hearts wherever I have two heads. I can say we have 2 heads. Okay. Do we have 2 heads here? Yes, I have 2 heads here. Do I have 2 heads here? No. Do I have 2 heads here? Yes, I have 2 heads here. Do I have 2 heads here? No. Okay, there are 3 things. So I have just copied this. See this HHT, HTH, THH, HHT, HTH, THH. But here it was written kam se kam. So 3 heads wala bhi. See this one. This one, 3H will also go here. So total there are 4. Number of elements in this set is 4. Okay, students. So we'll find the probability. Okay. Probability of B is n of B upon n of S. 4 upon 8. From where this 8 came, 8 is the original number of elements in my sample space. So 1 upon 2. Okay. Moving to the third question. Let's see what is asked in the third subpart on the screen. Find the probability of getting at most 2 heads. Once again convert करो हिंदी में. At most 2 heads means ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 heads, maximum 2 heads. तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 heads means 0 heads होगे तो भी चलेगा, 1 head होगा तो भी चलेगा, and maximum I can have 2 heads. 3 heads नहीं चलेंगे. At most 2 heads means ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 heads. तो 0 heads भी चलेंगे, 1 head होगा तो भी चलेगा, and 2 heads भी चलेंगे. Okay, coming back to our question. First we will make the sample space. Let's see be the event of getting at most 2 heads. Max 2 heads we want. So see here, from the pop-up, first I wrote 0 heads. 0 heads kidhar hai? See the cursor, 3 times tails I copied here. Then 1 time head. How many are the elements which has 1 time heads? See this HTT, THT, TTH. I just copied it from here. It has 1 time head. And how many elements has 2 times heads? It is HHT, HTH and THH. I copied here. I just did not copy this 3 times head wala because 3 times heads nahi chalege. Okay, students. So number of elements here is 7. Only 1 we missed out. So probability of C is number of elements in this event C upon number of elements in sample space. 7 upon 8 is my answer. Okay, moving once again back to our original question and see what is asked in our fourth sub question. All tails. Sare ke sare tails. Arey, ye to very simple. There is only 1 element in my sample space which has all tails. First we will make the sample space. See here, students. Let D be the event of getting all tails. There is only 1. So number of elements in this set D is 1. Probability of this set D is n of D upon n of S, which is 1 upon 8. Okay. Now moving on to the fifth sub question, and let's see what is asked there. Fifth one is at least 1 tail. Okay. Can I say? It's simple hai. At least means I will convert this word at least into Hindi. At least means कम से कम 1 tail. कम से कम 1 tail होना चाहिए. तो 1 tail वाला भी चलेगा. 2 tails वाला element will also do, and even 3 tails will do. Okay. So at least 1 tail. कम से कम 1 tail. So 1 tail वाले observations will come. 2 tails wale observations will come, and also 3 tails wale observations will also come into picture. First, let's make the event. Okay, here is the solution. Let E be the event of getting at least 1 tail. It's compulsory, students. You have to write this line every time you have to make this new event. See, I've written कम से कम 1. So 1 tail वाले all are here, 2 tails वाले all are here, and 3 tails वाला the single one is here. कौन सा मिस हो रहा है? सिर्फ वो मिस हो रहा है जिसमें 0 tails है, जो कि H H H है, that we did not write. So 7, probability is 7/8. Hope you understood this, students.